It's the creamer without compromise that fans enjoy using in coffee, tea, and in their favorite recipes, both savory and sweet.
Nut Pods is a delicious plant-based creamer. We have a couple different bases, almond and coconut, as well as oat. We are just a wonderful new wave of coffee creamers that is free from all the processed ingredients of yesterday.
Madeline Hayden launched Seattle-based Nut Pods in 2013 and began selling on Amazon 2 years later. Now she's a true Amazon success story.
It's honestly been a fairy tale to go from a brand as a startup to historical sales. 100 million in 5 years is just something I never would have dreamed of.
Because of COVID-19, these have been difficult days for many, but selling on Amazon has really made a difference.
It has been challenging for a lot of small businesses. I think for us, being able to sell online as well as in all the local grocery stores has helped stabilize our business. People are drinking coffee and Nut Pods at home while they're working from home, and we're just glad to be a part of their day.
Not only is Nut Pods a top Amazon seller, now folks can see Nut Pods featured on the side of Amazon last mile delivery vans driving around the Seattle area. It means a lot to Madeline to be featured in this one-of-a-kind Amazon campaign.
I love it. I was so thrilled when we found out that we were going to be featured on the vans. A small business like mine, there's so many places to spend money, and having vehicles like that really help us bring brand awareness. And it's just another small way that Amazon actually helps grow small businesses like mine.
And all that hard work is paying off. One of the best parts of Madeline's job is hearing from customers.
The consumer reviews. I think being able to hear about how we are just part of someone's daily ritual is really important for me, and it allows me to know that I'm helping people.
So what's next for your business, and how are you going to delight your customers this holiday season?
You're going to continue to find our new products in new sizes in all the grocery stores around the area, and we have a new product that's going to be launching in the beginning of the new year. In terms of surprising and delighting, we have all of our fun favorites like pumpkin spice, peppermint mocha, and our new holiday nog to bring a little bit more cheer into each cup.
'Tis the season for online holiday shopping, and Madeline says it's the perfect time for consumers to support small businesses like hers. She's even sharing her advice for people who are thinking about selling their products on Amazon.
I think you need to make sure that you understand that the breadth of all of the tools that will be at your disposal within Amazon can be really powerful for a small brand.
It's easy to see she's pouring her heart into bringing folks happiness through Nut Pods.
Most meaningful for me is through our humble product, one sip at a time, one cup at a time. We're just allowing people to enjoy a beautiful cup of coffee in a healthier way.